डियर स्टूडेंट अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ई सीरीज़ प्रिपरेशन में कंप्यूटर साइंस के टॉपिक बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस के सेकंड पार्ट में हम आपको वेलकम करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट, स्क्रीन पर दी हुई तमाम जॉब्स के टेस्ट की तैयारी और इंटरव्यू के लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अहम है। डियर स्टूडेंट, हम ऐसे सवालात को चुन चुन के यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं जो कि इम्तिहानी नुक्ता नज़र से बहुत अहम है, और ऐसे लोग जिनके पास कोई मटेरियल नहीं है, अगर वो एक बार ये वीडियो देख लेंगे तो उनके जहन में ये सवालात बैठ जाएंगे। लिहाजा एक दफ़ा पूरी वीडियो देखने और सुनने से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो सकता है। इस वीडियो में हमने एक क्वेश्चन पेपर भी बनाया है जिसको सॉल्व करके आप अपनी सेल्फ एवेल्यूशन भी कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है, द हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट दैट परमानेंटली होल्ड डाटा एंड प्रोग्राम इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए CPU, B आउटपुट, C सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज, D प्राइमरी स्टोरेज। The correct answer is secondary storage. Secondary storage is also called permanent storage. Is any computer data storage device that retain its data when device is unpowered. A common example of secondary storage is computer hardware drive or SSD. ROM is a non-volatile memory. ROM stands for read-only memory, which means information is permanently stored on chip. Turning off the computer does not have any effect on ROM. Non-volatile memory cannot be changed by the user. The second question is question number 12 is the hardware component that temporarily hold data and program is called. Option A CPU, B option output, C option secondary storage, D option primary storage. The correct answer is primary storage. Primary storage is also called main memory, is the component of the computer that hold data and program and instructions that are currently in use. Primary storage is located on the motherboard. Random access memory or RAM. RAM stands for random access memory, is a hardware found on the memory slot of the motherboard. The role of RAM is to temporarily store on the fly information created by the program and do so in way that make this data immediately accessible. What is stand for MAR? MA stands for memory address register. Its function is hold the address of the current instruction that is to be fetched from memory or to address in memory to the which data is to be transferred. Question number 13 is the electronic circuit that execute computer instructions is called. Option A CPU, option B keyboard, C hard drive, option D none of these. The correct answer is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It also called Central Processor. Also we can say main processor or just a processor. Is the electronic circuit that execute instruction comparing the computing program. The CPU perform basic arithmetic logic controller and input-output operation specified by the instructions in the program. An electronic circuit that is a structure that direct and control the electric current to perform various functions including signal amplification, computation and data transfer. What are the type of the electric circuit? There are five main type of electric circuit: closed circuit, open circuit, short circuit, series circuit and parallel circuit. Question 14 is additional data and program not being used by CPU are stored in input devices, CPU, primary storage, secondary devices. The correct answer is secondary storage. Computer memory is divided into two main memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Main memory hold instructions and data when program is executed, while secondary memory hold data and program not currently in use and provide long-term storage. Which is the not used in data store data? Answer is removable disk is not used for data store purposes with mainframe computer. Mainframe computer are computer used primarily by large organizations for critical application, bulk data processing such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprises, resources planning and transportation, uh, transaction process. Example of removable disks are given below are card reader, SD card and memory card, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, type drive cartridge, USB thumb drive. Question number 15 is step-by-step instructions that run the computer are called. Option is software, hardware, calculating, none. The correct answer is software. The software is a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. A set of instructions that direct the computer hardware to perform a task is called software or software program. Software is used to control the computer. There are different types of software that can run on the computer. Two main types, system software and utility software. But application software also uh, type of the systems also type of the software. Question number 16. A major category of software is system and development, application and system and design, none. There are three types of the correct answer is application and system. There are three types of software, system software, application software and programming language software. Now we describe one by one each. System software is a software designed to provide a platform for other software, for example, including operating system like Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Microsoft Windows, computational software, science software, game engines, search engine, industrial automation, and software as well as services application. Now we explain application software. Application software is a software that performs specific tasks for end user. The example of application software are Microsoft Word, Spreadsheet, VLC Media Player, Firefox, Google Chrome, accounting applications, photo editor, mobile app such as video games, WhatsApp also application software. Now question is what is programming language software? Programming language software is a type of written language that tells the computer what to do. Example Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and C sharp. Question number 17 is system that control computing resource is called. Dear student, please give the answer in description box by yourself. Question number 17 B. Which software is used to solve everyday personal and business tasks? Applications option is system and development, B options application software, C option system and design, D option none of these. The correct answer is application software. Application software is a software that performs specific tasks for an end user. Example of application software are Microsoft Word, Spreadsheet, VLC Media Player, Firefox, and Google Chrome, etc. Question number 18 is the way to entering data in a computer and presenting information generated by the system is called. Option A input output, B processor, C storage, D retrieval. The correct answer is A input and output. The way entering data in computer and presenting information by the system is called input output. In computing, input device in computer hardware which is used to enter data for processing is called input. For example, input devices include keyboard, mouse, image scanner, digital cameras, joystick. Please note that a touch screen is a combined input and output devices. Now a question is output, what is output data An output is a data that a computer sends. Example are monitor, printer, headphones, computer speaker, projector, GPS, sound card, video card, etc. Question number 19 is the term refer to all input and output storage and secondary storage device is network, peripheral, central, or. The correct answer is B, peripheral. The hardware devices attached to a computer are called peripheral equipment. Peripheral equipment include all input, output, and secondary storage devices. Question number 20 is a terabyte, TB stand for option A terabyte, terabase, terabit, none of these. The correct answer is terabyte. 1 terabyte equal to 1000 gigabyte. Gigabyte capital GB. Capital GB stand for gigabyte. Dear student, now I prepare a question paper for student who listen this video, and please solve this question. Question number 1. A fill in the blanks is the combination of is a combined input and output devices. Second question, is GPS is input device or output device? Question number 3. ROM stand for fill in the blanks. Primary storage is also called fill in the blanks. WhatsApp is the example of fill in the blanks. Please answer above question in comment box. Thank you. Dear student, if you agree, dear student, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो ये अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.